Today's event is our first ever Fairfax Makers Fest. It is a way that we support our local maker businesses in our Made in Fairfax network, and we're really excited to have the first opportunity for them to be in a space with the public, meeting the community, and taking advantage of this space. We have a network of about 150 maker businesses that are part of our Made in Fairfax network, which is a program we launched to support local businesses and bring them into our commercial districts and community centers. One of the things that is really unique about this space, named Springfield Overlook, any resident or community group can reserve this space for their own private uses. We have a really interesting array of food booths that are coming in. We have a woodworker, a yarn maker, so it'll be a really good mix. It's been great to have a facility where we can host community events, make it available to the public, and we have done a number of things to enhance the space and make it more interesting. For more information, you can go to the Fairfax County website, where you will find a picnic reservation page where you can learn more about Springfield Overlook and have an event here yourself.